know the most underrated business function is customer service or customer experience. You know why? Because it costs 5 to 25 times more to get a new customer than to keep an existing one. In this video, I'm going to show you 5 simple ways, just 5 simple ways that you can use not only to keep your customers, but to make them loyal for life. Don't go anywhere. Hi, I'm Ricky Osab, Client of Strategy, and my job is to arm you with strategic insights that will position you and your business to win for a long time. Stick around. The highest aim of any business is not just to make a sale. You know, everybody look at making a sale as like the end. That's why they call it closing. Okay? But that's not what the highest aim of a business is. The highest aim is what? Is to make a customer to become a promoter of your business. Once you are able to achieve that, you will begin to sell like crazy. Are you getting it now? You will no longer be spending so much on marketing, and even your profitability will increase. Why? Because it has been found out that a 5% increase in customer retention can lead to as much as 25 to 95% increase in profitability. Why? Because old customers, retained customers, tend to spend more. Are you getting it now? So you're not only going to be getting more customers because of the referrals and promotion that they will be doing, word of mouth, but they themselves will be spending more, which will increase your profitability. That's why I said it's the most underrated business function. Excellent customer service that leads to a delightful customer experience. Are you getting it now? So 5 simple ways that you can improve your customer experience and make your customers loyal for life is what I'm going to be sharing with you. They're very simple. Are you getting it now? So number 1 is show genuine interest in your customers. Showing genuine interest. So the goal of this is to treat your customers like people, not like transactions. And showing genuine interest is just like someone that you are trying to date. You know, when you are trying to date someone, you like someone and you want to ask that person out, the kind of interest you have for that person is similar. Whatever you would do to show genuine interest is the same thing you do to a customer. For example, customer came and bought a printer and the person told you that, I'm buying it for my child that wants to write WAEC, so that I can be printing past questions for the person, for my son to be using to prepare. And the person comes next time and, you say, I remember that you bought a printer for, how is it doing now? How is the printer working now? Is it working well? Hope you're enjoying it. Remember you bought it because of your child that wants to write WAEC. How is the exam? Hope the boy passed very well, and all of that. Show genuine interest. It will make people feel good. And that is all about business, to make them feel good about what you are doing for them. Are you getting it now? So number 2, offer sincere and specific compliments. Okay? You know what compliment is. It's just about saying something good about a choice or a behavior that person exhibited, a choice that person made, or a behavior that person exhibited, especially in something that matters to them. Okay? And we're not talking about compliments about their appearance. Don't do that. That's for informal communications and relationships. Like in business, this is formal, serious business. Okay, not so you're beautiful, you're handsome, I like your hair is good. No, that's not what we're talking about. Okay? For a choice that they have made, it can be something that they just bought from you and say, you really have good taste for choosing that one. You must have a very good taste. That's just, you know what compliment is. It's not, but most people don't do that. And that's why customer service is so rare. The number 3 way, show unique knowledge. The goal of this one is to make your customers smarter than they met you. Are you getting it now? Show unique knowledge. Let's say someone comes to you now and bought a phone, or let's say a phone charger from you. And then you just chip in that, when you are charging your phone, charge it between 20% and 80%. It will improve the battery health. Okay? Instead of charging from 0% to 100%, which will make your battery die faster. You're not required to give that person that kind of information on a normal day, but it's just that extra. Are you getting it now? So everything about good, excellent customer service is that it is not normally required from you in your job description, but you give it as an extra. That's what makes it different. Are you getting it now? So you have a unique knowledge about something related to what the person is buying from you. Just chip it in. Show unique knowledge, because that's your job. So you are supposed to be very knowledgeable about it. So always find a way to inform, educate them, and they'll be happy for it. They'll feel smarter. They will like you for it. Are you getting it now? Then the fourth one is to convey authentic enthusiasm. What's enthusiasm? Gladness, happiness, joyfulness, excitement. Okay, when you see someone that is enthusiastic and excited, it shows. So the goal of this one is to transfer energy. You're giving an energetic signal, and it's contagious. Showing enthusiasm means that you are demonstrating that you're happy to see the customer. It makes them feel important. It makes them feel happy. That's the goal of enthusiasm. Oh, welcome. When you greet them, when you welcome them. Oh, I'm so glad you made it here today. That kind of thing. Are you getting it? Authentic enthusiasm. The number 5 is to use appropriate humor. Okay? Something funny. Okay, the goal of this one is just to lighten the mood, lighten the atmosphere. And you just make the person laugh a little bit, just crack a light joke, not an expensive joke that might be offensive. So the idea is for you to pick 1 or 2 that you know that you are good in. Okay, you can't do all of them. Find the one that you can naturally do. Some people are just naturally funny. It's easier for them to easily just find something funny to make people laugh and all of that. So find the one that aligns more with your personality and use it. When you look at all these things, you find out that the thing that ties all of them together is passion. When you have genuine passion for the job you are doing, it will improve your customer service. It will be easier for you to do any of these things. Are you getting it now? And you can't fake passion. That's why you as a business person, it's good for you to do business that you are truly passionate about and hire employees that are truly passionate about that kind of business, about that job. That's the secret when hiring. It's a very important secret when hiring. You will not force it on them. They're not just coming to collect a paycheck. So I want you to subscribe to this channel. We're going to be dishing out strategic insights like this that will help you in your business, to position you to win for a long time. So I'm going to see you in the next video.